Hello, my name is Jennifer Jacober and I'm an engineer here at Equilibar. Your pulsation dampening device will arrive ready to use out of the box. During installation, either side can be used as the inlet or outlet depending on your desired orientation. Our device arrives with this easy to integrate 1/4 inch push to connect tube fitting for the active dampening air supply. During operation, make sure to energize your process fluid before you add pressure to the active dampening supply to maximize the lifetime of your diaphragms. During normal operation, you also want to make sure that the exhaust port on both the top and bottom of the device are left open to atmosphere. When it's time to do maintenance on your Equilibar pulsation dampener, it's just as easy as an Equilibar valve. You want to start by removing the tubes to your active dampening supply. You'll then use a 4mm wrench to remove the bolts in the top or bottom of the device. Each side of the device has a diaphragm that looks like this. It also has a support plate that seals on the bottom cap with an O-ring. This O-ring, the active dampening orifice mount, and this peak orifice are all included in our rebuild kit and can be replaced routinely. To replace the diaphragms, you will take this diaphragm kit that looks something like this, remove one of the diaphragms, make sure that this crush pad is facing the diaphragm and the body, and that this flat face is sealing on the orifice on the bottom cap. You can use a bolt through the cap, the bottom cap, and the support plate to align your diaphragm. It's easiest if you put one on each of the opposing sides. You can then reinstall this new diaphragm and cap on your body. Make sure that during installation, the active dampening supply ports are on the same side, so it's easy to reattach the tubing. Proper installation requires a torque wrench and a torque spec of around 30 inch-pounds. You can then repeat this process on the bottom diaphragm. Every die kit and rebuild kit comes with a new label for the valve with the proper part number. Make sure to replace the existing tag on your valve with this new label every time you rebuild. That helps keep track of the part numbers and the diaphragm thickness used in the rebuild.